So let's just get one thing straight. Narcissists have their doubts. Their boundary testing nature, their attempts to guilt trip you, none of it is about you. It's all about the narcissist. It's always been about the narcissist. They're the one that are feeling uncomfortable because they can't control or manipulate you anymore. It's in the narcissist's nature to test you, hoping to find a crack in your armor, and if they find one, cool, thank you, I'm going to fix that. And then you do. You fix it. And then what? You become unbreakable. You become unshakable. So when those doubts and those guilt trips come your way, just remember this has nothing to do with you. It's not about you. It's about the narcissist's little insecurities and their own need for control that they're losing by you setting boundaries. They just want to drag you down to their level just to keep them company. Because narcissists are afraid of anyone that's more powerful than them. Anyone who has boundary setting forces that are enforced and reinforced. And this new you that you're becoming, well, yeah, it's going to be a threat to them. Sucks. Do you care? So, we don't have to fall for it. We're starting to rise above their narcissistic little mind games. This is our chance to, just be true to ourselves, to keep standing strong, to grow our self-love, to grow our self-respect. All those narcissist attempts to, to question you, to make you feel guilty, is just kind of like, dust on a force field at this point. You're no longer here to caretake, the narcissist and their doubts and their whims, or satisfy their narcissistic expectations. You're here to honor yourself and to live your best life. So let's keep pushing forward on this boundary setting journey, and let's just leave doubt and, their guilt just in the dust. All right, my fellow narcovery boundary setters, it's time to embrace a liberating truth that'll set you free. Get ready to release the weight of a narcissist's, useless and meaningless opinions and expectations. Because here's the secret, a narcissist's life is self-centered, and that's just something that they bestowed upon themselves. They've just woken up one day and decided their place is in the center of the universe, and all others around them must bow to their whims. So ask yourself, do you have to bow? Do you really? All that narcissistic negativity and doubt they've been throwing your way has everything to do with the incredible person that you're becoming. And of course they hate it. Of course they do. It's to be expected. How could they not hate it? They want their narcissistic supply. They want their narcissistic supply. Narcissistic supply is like their candy, and they're in the candy aisle, and they want candy, 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 gimme, 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 gimme. No. I'm not giving you a narcissistic supply. And I'm not giving you your candy. Now, in the past, I can admit that, I did carry the burden of everyone else's words and beliefs just on my own shoulders. I take everything that was said to heart. Any kind of judgment, any kind of beliefs. I felt like I had to please everyone, and I believed all the things that other people were saying about me. Once I started loving myself and standing firm with my boundaries, something amazing happened. I realized that any person, any narcissist who couldn't rise to the occasion, who can't respect my boundaries or honor my feelings or my thoughts, well, that's actually on them. So, F them. And when you start setting boundaries and, protecting your own self-love and your own self-esteem, a lot of those narcissists they don't want to be around you anymore. And you know what? That's absolutely awesome. Yay, even. Woohoo! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba! Loving it. Boundaries are a natural filtering process against narcissism. And as you let go of those who just can't appreciate this new you, you're actually going to create space in your life for just incredible souls to come in who just kind of live on the same wavelength as you, that have the same priorities as you. So it's win-win, win-win. So embrace this journey that you're on. You're shedding old baggage, and you're inviting new energy into your world. And now everyone that's still in your circle, well, this is now a VIP club. And everyone who's there, who's in that VIP circle, understands and respects the boundaries that you've set. Now let me tell you, that feeling is absolutely amazing. It's a narcissistic force field that only lets in good people, which is perfect. I love that. So keep being unapologetic about enforcing your boundaries. And when you face narcissism in whatever form it is, keep enforcing those boundaries with, just love and confidence. And as you do, watch the universe respond. Those narcissists who just want to disrespect you and keep you down, they'll just kind of fade away. And that'll just make way for extraordinary people who are just ready to support and cherish this new version of you. Allow them into your life. All right, so get ready to celebrate your growth, to embrace, your authentic self, and to continue thriving in a world where boundaries reign supreme. Because that's the world on the other side of recovery from narcissism. And you can almost think of it as it's because those narcissists came into your lives that you learned how strong you need to be to set boundaries. And you get to decide now who to keep close and who stays away at a safe distance. And in my opinion, it's just my opinion, the safest distance to a narcissist for me is on Pluto. Yeah, Pluto is the safest place for narcissists. That's a safe distance. All right, I hope this journey has empowered you and given you some tools to navigate through narcissistic waters. If you found value in this video, please send me some love, give me some thumbs up. Please like and share and comment below on what you got out of this, what you've learned. I'd love to hear. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss any of my future videos. And remember, you're not alone on this path of self-discovery and boundary setting. Together, we're creating a community of resilience and empowerment. So stay tuned for more videos are coming where I'm going to dive deep into topics that'll just help you live your best life. And until then, keep shining, enforcing those boundaries, embracing the incredible person that you are and that you're becoming. My name is Miles from narcovery.com. To book a session with me, just go to narcovery.com. All right, bye.